Are weird lines ruining your VIZIO TV screen? Horizontal or vertical stripes flashing while you're trying to watch your favorite show? Don't worry, you don't need a new TV yet. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it at home step by step, in just a few minutes. Step 1. Restart and input. Check restart your VIZIO TV. It sounds simple, but believe it or not, most display issues, including screen lines, are caused by a temporary software or connection glitch. So, start by unplugging your TV from the wall outlet. Don't just turn it off with the remote. Physically unplug it. Wait at least 1 full minute before plugging it back in. This gives your TV time to discharge any leftover power that may be causing the issue. While you're waiting, check your HDMI or input cables. Make sure they're inserted firmly and not loose or bent. If you notice dust or corrosion on the metal ends, gently clean them with a soft, dry cloth. Then reconnect the cables, ensuring each one clicks into place tightly. If you're using a streaming device like Roku or Fire Stick, try swapping HDMI ports. Sometimes one port may be faulty. Step 2. Check display settings. Once your TV restarts, it's time to check your display settings. Using your remote, go to Menu Picture Settings. Now make sure your picture mode is set to standard or calibrated. Avoid vivid or game mode for now. Those modes often increase contrast and sharpness, which can make any lines or flickering look worse. Next, scroll to resolution or display mode. Make sure it matches your input source, for example, 1080p if you're using HD, or 4K for a 4K device. Setting the wrong resolution can cause flickering, stretching, or even ghost lines. If your TV has an auto detect or recommended option, select that. It ensures the TV automatically adjusts to the best resolution for your connected device. Step 3. Test a different source. Now, let's rule out your input source. Grab your VIZIO remote and switch to a different HDMI port. If you're watching through a cable box or Fire Stick, try switching to your DVD player, game console, or even play a video from a USB drive. If the lines vanish on a different source, congratulations. That means your TV panel is fine. The problem is likely your connected device, HDMI cable, or the signal itself. If the lines appear on every source, then it's more likely a TV side problem, which we'll fix in the next steps. Step 4. Soft reset or power cycle. Still seeing lines? Let's do a soft reset, also known as a power cycle. Unplug your TV again. Then, while it's still unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV itself, not the remote, for about 10 to 15 seconds. This releases any trapped electrical charge inside the TV's mainboard. After that, leave it unplugged for another 30 seconds before reconnecting power. When you plug it back in and power it on, this simple step often clears minor software or display memory glitches that cause lines, flickers, or frozen pixels. Close up on someone pressing and holding the power button. Fade to soft reset in progress. Overlay TV powering backup lines disappearing. And that's it. In most cases, these easy steps can fix those annoying lines on your VIZIO TV.